On December 12th, Dogecoin faced a severe setback when hacker Andreas Kohl exploited its DogeReaper vulnerability, crashing 69% of its network nodes using only an old ThinkPad from rural El Salvador. His cheeky tweet, "Oops, I just did a thing," instantly became a crypto meme, though probably not the kind Dogecoin fans were hoping for. The vulnerability, named after the anime Death Note, allowed Kohl to crash nodes by causing a segmentation fault, effectively breaking Dogecoin's infrastructure. Despite developers patching the issue weeks earlier, a staggering 87% of nodes hadn't updated, making the network a sitting duck. Before the attack, Dogecoin proudly counted 647 active nodes. After the chaos, a mere 205 were left standing, slowly climbing back to 315 as operators scrambled to patch their systems. Dogecoin may be a beloved meme coin, but this latest blunder is a harsh reminder even jokes need good security. There's some hope the developers take this as a cue to stay ahead, before the next exploit makes headlines.